Morning light on quiet streets, coffee warmth and rolling wheels, bike lane shining in the sun. Day is slowly coming on. Cool air drifting through the road, city waking soft and slow, signals blinking down the line. Everything feels right on time. Pedal easy through the day, let the rhythm lead the way. Nothing loud and nothing strong, just the street's familiar song. Coffee warm still in my hand. Morning moving feels like every block a steady flow, where the bright beginnings go. Sunlight on the river.
Hi! Mantique Island! Anong oras na? 12 something or 11 or 10? Late na naman po tayo yung bumalik. 10:44. Malapit naman nila. So kita natin. 10:44.
Calming while rolling with the morning ride. Pedal easy through the day, pedal easy through the day. Let the rhythm lead the way, let the rhythm lead the way. Nothing loud and nothing strong, just the street's familiar song. Coffee warm still in my hand, coffee warm still in there. Morning moving just as planned, every block a steady flow, where the bright beginnings go. Green lights change along the street, wheels turning with the beat. Warm light falling on the road, morning in a quiet. Pedal easy through the day, let the rhythm lead the way. Sun above the skyline blue.
Kakain na kami. Ito ay documentary ni Cara Delevingne. Doon kami galing sa bangka. Tapos papunta kami doon. Magla-lunch. Magla-lunch na lang may challenge. Challenge accepted. Kumain naman kami na ugong-ugong. Biscocho House. From Biscocho House. Sarap siya. This is not a sponsored review. Ano kayang itsura ko dito? Pero bahala na. Basta may masaya. Bye-bye!
The towers high, silver drifting through the sky. Little groove and morning light, everything is moving right. City breathing soft and cool, following an easy rule. Take a sip and step outside, let the rhythm be your guide. Every block is steady flow, where the bright beginnings go.
So, anong masasabi niyo, ma'am,
Sunlight
sa lunch na ito?
on the glass, yellow taxis drifting past.
Ha?
Someone laughing in the
Ito na ang mga bakwit.
shoes tapping on the
Sobra yata yun. Sobra nang nakain. So,
Ang mga bakwit. So, challenging po ang aming lunch. Saan pa yung Saan pa yung bangka? Wala, parang lumayo naman siya. Ano kalayo? Yung natin kanina pala, nilakan. Ala, lumalalim na nga siya. Mga kaibigan, malalim na siya. Abangan nyo kami kung aabot ang cellphone ko. Uy, huwag mo apakan ng aking guys. Huwag mo apakan. Hindi nakalak yung aking. Alas. Uy, yan na.
Everything is moving right. Coffee and skyline view. Simple
Ayun po,
moments.
kasalukuyan kami ay maghahatid ng Starbucks.
Ah, saan ang area niyang patutunguhan?
Hanggang maabot ng internet.
Oh. Dadaigin niyo na si Ato Morales.
Yes.
Shout out, Ato Morales. Ikaw na si Ate Morales.
Si ate ko na.
Alam, malalim na nga siya. Oh no! Safe ba siya sa 411?
Pantay. Ay, hindi pala pantay. Palalim.
Malapit, iyan po. Ayan po, ang
Basta
aming
nasa
bangka.
loob ng ano, ng bato-batong gano'n. Very fancy.
Malapit na ba ang school na patutunguhan ng ating Starbucks?
Yes. Makakatid na natin.
Para sa mga bata.
Morning glow on Broadway Lane. Coffee warmth against the rain. Door swings
Nasa tamang bangka ba tayo?
chime, city waking right on time. Steam rising in the light. Windows bright, sidewalks white. Footsteps moving down the street. Easy rhythm melody. Bright and easy start a day. Let the city lead the way.
Success!
Rush to nothing like
Sumakses ang aming team.
inside the crowd. Coffee warmth and skyline view. Morning painted fresh and new. Every corner, every line feels a little more alive. Sunlight sliding down the glass. Yellow taxis rolling past. Someone humming by the door. Soft shoes on the cafe floor. Small talk drifting through the air. Simple moments everywhere. Day begins without a rush, like a calm and steady hush. Bright and easy start a day. Let the city lead the way.
Sa loob kami ng lagoon. Look.
Just a groove
Sawadi ka!
Wow. Iwan na kami ng bangka.
painted fresh and new. Every corner, every line feels a little more alive. Signals turning green. People moving down the lane. Silver clouds above the street. City breathing with the beat. Bright and easy start a day. Let the rhythm guide the way. Coffee cup and morning sun. Day has only just begun. Step outside the skyline blue. Every street feels clean and new. In the simple city life, everything is feeling right. Good, good, good,
Pagkatapos ng Gigantes tour, may energy pa ang mga tita para kumain. 24 hours naman siya, so let's go!
there along the lane. Coffee warmth and turning chain. Bike wheels gliding through the light. City opening up bright. Signals blinking down the
Yan, yung dalawa, nagpaplano na ng ano bukas. Yung last day namin bukas dito sa Iloilo. Kaway-kaway guys! Shout out to my channel.